And so if you're looking for a great and effective way to sight your 9mm pistol, this 9mm bore sighter laser is going to be a great option for you. It is by MidTen, and this is going to save you a lot of ammo and a lot of time as well. So this is all that comes in the package with the batteries as well. It uses 3 batteries and it is included. They are included. So that's very nice of them. In order to install it, it's very simple. You go ahead and unscrew the cap right here on the back, pop in the batteries like such, and then you're pretty much off to the races after that. Screw it back on. You should see the laser already on. So all you have to do, very strong light by the way, or laser rather. So all you have to do is go ahead and pop this into the pistol itself like a normal round, making sure that there is no, of course, live rounds or anything like that on the actual firearm. And then this will help you zero your, red dot or your scope if you're using such. So this is for the 9mm version, and like you see here, like I said, very strong laser. So this is going to help you go ahead and fine tune that red dot sight so you don't have to waste ammo at the range. I mean, you will have to take it to the range, of course, and go ahead and fine tune it there, but this is going to save you a lot of money and a lot of time so that you don't have to waste all that ammo trying to zero your brand new sight. So this is the 9mm bore sighter by MidTen.